In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert PDF forms to Microsoft Forms automatically. This is a quick and efficient way to digitize your paper forms or existing PDFs, making them much easier to manage and analyze digitally. Let's get started. First, we need to head over to forms.office.com. This is the Microsoft Forms homepage where you'll be doing all your work. Once you're there, you'll see an option on the homepage that says Quick Import. Go ahead and click on that. This feature allows you to quickly bring in external documents and transform them into a format usable by Microsoft Forms. Once you click Quick Import, an overlay will appear prompting you to upload from this device. Click the box to start the upload process. You'll then be navigating through your computer's file system, so you'll want to be sure you know where your PDF document is saved. Once you locate it, select it to begin the import process. After you've selected the PDF, Microsoft Forms will prompt you to choose the type of form you wish to create, either a standard form or a quiz. This decision lightly customizes the toolset available to you based on your needs. If you're gathering feedback or conducting a survey, a standard form is likely the way to go. On the other hand, if you're working within an educational context, you might prefer to use a quiz, especially if you need graded responses. Next up, the conversion process begins. Microsoft Forms will take over and work its magic, turning your static PDF into a dynamic and interactive form or quiz. The duration of this process can vary depending on the complexity and size of the document, but it usually goes pretty quickly. Once the conversion is complete, it's time to review your newly imported form or quiz. You'll want to check that all the information has been properly converted, and you have the opportunity to make any necessary edits. Simply click Start Review to open your form. This allows you to preview how it will appear to others and make any adjustments needed for clarity or correctness. As you review, keep an eye on the right pane. Here, any issues or areas requiring your attention will be highlighted. It's important to address these items to ensure your form functions correctly and captures all necessary data. Once you've resolved these issues, there's a handy Resolved button to mark these items as complete, which helps keep your workflow organized and clutter-free. And there you have it. By following these steps, you're able to automatically convert any PDF form into a Microsoft form, making your data collection process more efficient and accessible. I hope this guide was helpful. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.